Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to extend LV and VG. So you have to use these three commands when you are extending LV and VG. LV extend, resize 2FS for refresh the file system, and VG extend. Okay, so let me log into the my server. Yeah, so this is my server. So as an example, I'm giving you. So this is my file system slash app. Okay, and currently slash app holding 6 GB space. Okay, but I need 3 GB more. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to check first this particular file system slash app belongs to which LV. So I could see here it's showing below LV01. So when you extending LV, first you have to check that LV belongs to which VG and that VG, particular VG, have a sufficient space or not. Okay, so let me check that one. I could see this is my LV and this LV belongs to VG01. So let me check that the space is available or not. Yeah, you can see now here VG01 total size is 10 GB, but free space is 4 GB. You need 3 GB. So sufficient space is available here. So in this condition, we will take a space from this VG. Okay. So let's go and extend the LV. So LV to LV extend command. LV LV extend hyphen capital L plus your size. So I'm going to spend 3 GB. So I'm giving 3 GB space. There, your VG name and your LV name. LV name. Cool. So now you can see here your LV extend successfully. Logical volume LV extend your successfully. Logical volume successfully resize. So if you check here now, yeah, you can see now your LV size is a 9 GB. But if you check here, still it's showing 6 GB. It means it's not refresh. Your file system size is not refreshed. So what you have to do, you have to refresh your file system. So if your file system is ext4, then you can use resize 2fs. If your file system types is xfs, then you can use command xfs grow fs. See, in this my condition, my file system is ext4. So I'm going to use resize 2fs. Resize 2fs slash there slash mapper slash your VG name and LV name. Cool. So you can see successfully refresh. If you check now, yeah, it's showing 9 GB, right? Slash app. So this is a one way. Another way, suppose you that what like suppose now you need like your 3 GB. Again, you want to extend in this file system. Again, you need 3 GB. So again, you have to go same way. First, you have to VG. This LV, this file system belongs to which LV? And so you can see this file system belongs to LV01, and that LV belongs to which VG. So LVS command you can use. So you can see this LVS01 is belongs to VG01, and now here you have to check. Here you have to check that VG you have a sufficient space or not. So you VG01 total size is 10 GB, but free space is not here. You need 3 GB, right? But space is only 1 GB, around 1 GB available. So in this condition, what you have to do, you have to ask to a storage team present the storage, or else you go to the vCenter at the hard disk. Okay. So in my condition, I already added hard disk in my server. I will show you. Yeah, you can see I added two disks here, SDC and SDD. Okay, if you check if anything is available or not here, you can use this command slash dev slash SDC. Here you can P. So it's a blank. Nothing is available. You can quit from here. Okay. So so what you have to do first, you have to create a PV. So PV create, and you will give a device name. Yeah. So you can see here your PV created successfully. Now what you have to do in here, you have to extend your VG. So let me again show you. So see this file system slash app, you need 3 GB, right? And this slash app belongs to which LV? This belongs to LV01, LV01, and this LV belongs to which VG? VG01. Okay, so you need extend this VG. Okay, so you have to use VG extend command. VG, sorry, VG extend your VG name space slash dev, and means like your device name slash dev and SDC. So you can see here your volume group successfully extended, right? So now you, if you check here, VGS, see now total 5 GB, 6 GB is space available here. So what you have to do now, again you have to extend your LV, LV, LV extend command, LV extend space hyphen capital L space. Suppose, suppose example I'm telling you. Suppose if you want here all full like whatever the VG size, then you can use here plus 100% free space slash dev slash your VG name and slash your LV name. So in this command, what we will do, it will take all the space, whatever the VG space is, that it will take all the space. But I don't want to all the space, right? I need 3 GB. So what I have to do, I have to give here 3G. So only 3 GB it will take from there, from VG. Yeah, so now if you check your LVS, see it's total 12 GB, but still it will not reflect here. If you check here, it will not reflect. See, yeah, it's not showing here. Still, it's showing 9 GB. So what again you have to do? You have to refresh your file system. So d size 2fs slash dev slash mapper slash gg. And so you can see now your app is 12 GB. It's showing here 12 GB. So this way you will go extend your LV and VG. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and comment if you need any modification from my end. Thank you for watching.